This is the lesson, a birthday letter from 5th class. Today we are going to complete worksheets from this lesson. This is the workbook part of a birthday letter lesson. Worksheet 8.1, page number 128. Worksheet 8.1, first Roman is read the given passage from the lesson. Read the given passage from the lesson. Here we have one passage from a birthday letter lesson that is starting with my dear Indira to in this great drama. This is the paragraph which we have to read and write the answers. My dear Indira, this is the paragraph, and also end of the paragraph is in this great drama. This paragraph we should read and we can answer by this paragraph for the given blanks. Now fill in the blanks with suitable words or phrases. My dear Indira 2, in this great drama, this is the passage. From this passage, we should answer these blanks and also this matching. First blank is, on your birthday, you have been in the habit of receiving dash and dash. According to this passage, we should answer. So, in this passage, where do we have the answer? Here. On your birthday, you have been in the habit of receiving presents and good wishes. So, this is the answer. On your birthday, you have been in the habit of receiving dash and dash means presents. And good wishes. These are the answers for the blank. Next, my presents cannot be very dash or dash. My presents cannot be very dash and dash. For this blank, should write my presents cannot be very material or solid. These are the answers. Next, Jawaharlal Nehru dislikes sermonizing and doing out. Good advice. Good advice. The magic of Bapuji's message has stolen the hearts of millions of men and women. Millions of men and women. The message of Bapuji has stolen the hearts of millions of people, men and women also. Here, second Roman is match the words with their opposite words. We have to write here, we have to match with the opposite words for the given these words. Always. What is the opposite of always is never. We should write here E. High. Opposite is low. D. Send. Opposite is receive. A. Wise. Opposite is foolish. Fortune. Opposite is unfortunate. These are antonyms or opposite words of given words. Next, page number 129. Fourth Roman is study the following table and write at least 5 sentences. One has been done for you. Here we have a table. You should write at least 5 sentences by using these instructions. Okay, here I, you, we, he, she have been, has been, receiving presents, learning English, helping elders, writing stories, reading a book, for a few years, for a few months. These are the words we have to form sentences. Okay, here where do we use have been and where do we use has been? We should know about these have been and has been. Where do we use? Here I, you, we. For these two, three words we use have been. And he, she are singulars, so we use has been. And also I have been receiving presents for a few years. By using these hints, we should form a sentence. For I, you, we have, after these I, you, we have been, and after he and she we have has been. We should use has been. So first sentence is I have been receiving presents for a few years. Here example has given. Next, you have been learning English for a few months. You have been learning English for a few months. You have been learning English for a few months. Next, we. After what do we write here? What should we write here? We have been. After we should write have. We have been helping elders for a few years. We may write for a few years or for a few months, whatever we like. There is no difference. Next, he. After he we should write has. We has been writing stories for a few months. Next, she has been reading a book for a few months. These are the sentences we can form by using this table. Next, fifth Roman is read the following words from the reading text and identify its opposite words, which means antonyms, from the pair of words given. One has been done for you. సరైన యాంటోనిమ్స్ గుర్తించి సర్కిల్ చేయండి. యాంటోనిమ్స్ మీన్స్ opposite words. For high, what is the antonym of high? Is short. Best, antonym of best is worst. Should circle like that. Imagine, antonym of imagine is doubt. Antonym of truth is false. Antonym of unworthy is worthy. Next worksheet is 8.2. First Roman, read the given passage from the lesson. Passage చదివి ఖాళీలను పూరించండి. What part shall we play to loving father? This is the paragraph. We should complete these sentences by reading or by understanding the given passage from the lesson A Birthday Letter. First word is desire. D-E-S-I-R-E, desire. Next, afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D, afraid. Next, brave. B-R-A-V-E, brave. Freedom. F-R-E-E-D-O-M, freedom. H-I-D-E, hide. Leadership. L-E-A-D-E-R-S-H-I-P, leadership. Friend. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Child. C-H-I-L-D, child. Seren. S-E-R-E-N-E, seren. Letter. L-E-T-T-R, letter. Soldier. S-O-L-D-I-E-R, soldier. Service. S-E-R-V-I-C-E, service. Next, refer to a dictionary and write the meanings of the following words. By using dictionary, by the reference of dictionary, we should write meanings for the given these words. First word is decide. For this word, we have the meaning in the dictionary is come or bring to a resolution in the mind as a result of consideration. This is the meaning in the dictionary for the word decide. Come or bring to a resolution in the mind as the result of consideration. This is the meaning of decide. Next, desire. Desire, a strong feeling of wanting to have something. Wanting to have something. Seren. Seren meaning is calm, peaceful, and untroubled. Hide. Put or keep out of sight. Put or keep out of a sight. Secrecy. The state of being kept secret. These are the meanings in the dictionary of these words. Decide, desire, seren, hide, secrecy. These are the meanings in the dictionary.